Okay, so I'm busy making well, rather, two Father's Day gifts for two special people in my life, you guys. And it's gonna be like um, it's gonna be a fried chicken wing basket with their favorite drink, and they're gonna have some hot sauce in it, and then their favorite drink also. And it's gonna be homemade by Weltha Cooking. Father's Day baskets. So it's gonna be a fried chicken wing basket for the two special people in my life for Father's Day. Isn't that cute? I think it's so cute. So I'll show you guys the end results when I'm done. In a few, okay? Voila! Look at that. That is my Father's Day basket for the two special people, the two special men in my life. You guys, look at that. Don't that look delicious? You think they're gonna like it? Look at that. I put some chips in there, and I even gave them some hot sauce, honey, in the Texas kind. So you know it's good. And that one, he likes root beer and ginger ale for the other one. That's my Father's Day basket. What do you guys think? You think I should sell these baskets? I think I should start selling these baskets, right? That could be like the first thing I start selling. Chicken wing baskets. Just like this. So I'm gonna keep a photo of these, because this might be the first thing on my menu when I start selling my plates, you guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think. You think I should start selling these plates? Do some pop-up appearances in town? Oh, and I can do it when I go to Dallas and visit my daughter too. Do a little pop-up sale in Dallas with my daughter. But anyhow, these are my Father's Day baskets that I made for the two special men in my life, and I'm going over to take it to them right now. Ooh, don't it look good? I think they're gonna like it. They both love food, so yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. My Father's Day baskets. Up close. Up. Look at that. You think they're gonna like it? Looks good, huh? I think they're gonna love it. Okay, wish me luck, and I'm out. Oh, I gotta do a spinner, huh? Hold on, you guys. Let me put it on a spinner. Okay, let me try to spin. I don't want it to fall and mess up because it's so perfect right now. Okay, I'm gonna spin it just a little for you guys. And then I'll do one on my other spinner, okay? But I gotta do the spinner. I have to. Look at that. Father's Day baskets, chicken wings. That's gonna be one of my first sales, you guys, when I start selling my trays. When I start selling plates, this is gonna be one of my top, well, this is gonna be the first one that I start selling, like, okay? And I'm thinking about doing a pop-up, so wish me luck. Look at that. Okay, spin it one more time. Yay, one more time. Father's Day basket. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, that's my Father's Day basket. Thank you guys for watching, and please check out my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And this is Weltha, and I'm out. See you guys. my Father's Day baskets.